Hey y'all, I'm gonna try doing something here. Getting tired of messing with these here external water filters that you hook up out here and on your RVs. So got watching some videos and seen some other videos where they did this, and you got your city connector here, and right inside here, I opened this panel up here and found out that line runs right to here. So what I want to try to do is disconnect this one from here, and then I bought this stuff last night at Lowe's, and my intentions is get done with this, have this all mounted right out here like so. That way I ain't got to keep messing with an external water filter out here. So here goes nothing. Alright, here's what I've got so far. End up had to drill a hole so I can come straight through there, and then drill a hole up here. And that'll all be in there sort of like a so where the lines come through. While it's in here though, I found another one that there looked like it needs an elbow on it. Got a little bit too much of a bend, but anyway, I'll take care of that a little bit later. Alright, I'm back for a minute. This is what I've got so far. Hopefully I got all my joints sealed up, taped up. Ain't crazy about the way that's fitting, but anyway. And that goes through the wall there, and hooks in back there. I'm gonna go turn it on and check for leaks and hope everything be fine. But we'll be back. Alright, so far so good. We got water on. Not seeing no drippage, no bubbles. Looking good, so hopefully all this stuff was bought at Lowe's last night, so nice little solution to keep from having to deal with your other little external ones outside. So hopefully this will help somebody out. I'll just pin her all back up here in a minute and see what happens.